Alright, so we got a big combination going on here. This piece here on the outside of the f, so it's going to affect the y values, and it's going to do exactly what you expect. It's going to multiply all the y's by a half. And what you expect that to do is kind of vertically shrink it. All the y's are getting smaller. That 3 there is grouped in with the x, so it's going to affect the x, the horizontal motion, and when it's grouped in, it does the opposite of what you expect. So it looks like you're going to the left. No, you're going to the right. You are going to the right 3. This guy here, outside of the function, does exactly what you think it's going to do. It's going to affect the y's. It's going to go down 4. When you make your transformations, you're always going to deal with the stretches and shrinks and flips before you take the thing and move it up and over. So we'll take care of the half first. We're going to multiply all the y values by a half. You can do this with a table, or you can do this just by sight. I'll do it with a table to kind of help you out so you can see both. So I'm just going to do y is a half of f of x first before I do any moving right and left, up and down. And my original points that are going to help me out are kind of these key points here. This is -3, 2. This is -2, 4. This is +3, 4. And this is 6, 0. So, because that half is on the outside, it's affecting my y values directly, and it does exactly what I think it's going to do. It's going to multiply all the y values by a half. All the x values are staying put. So multiply all the y values by a half. Half of 2 is 1, half of 4 is 2, half of 4 is 2, half of 0 is 0. So plotting these new points over here, -3, 1, -2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 0. So you can see that all the x values, all the points are lined up on the x, but all the y values got chopped in half. Oops, I missed. 6, 0, that point stayed put. My bad. There you go. Alright, so now that we've got the stretching, shrinking, flipping, if there were any flip, if there were a negative, it would have flipped it over. But we've gotten that taken care of, we're going to move everything to the right 3 and down 4. So grab that point, move it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, bang. Take that point, move it 1, 2, 3, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, bang. Take that point, move it 1, 2, 3, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, bang. Take that point, 1, 2, 3, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, bang. So, there you go. That is your new glorious function that has been shrunk and moved and down. Exciting. Okay.